Hello and welcome to this video, the top 5 errors new Python programmers make. And the first error they make is writing code into the shell window. This is the Python idle shell window. This is where we can type in if we want to enter code in an input, but we don't write code directly onto this. We can do that and we can, for example, write our hello world here. But if you do anything more than a few things, then you will get errors. It doesn't like it very much. What you need to do is go and open a new file and use the code editor to write your code. Save your code so that you can run it and edit it at any time. So just check you're not writing it into that shell window and you're writing it into a blank document. On to error 2, and that is where the code is not aligned to the left-hand side. So I've got some code here. This is all correct. Sometimes the new students do this where they have code that is slightly indented. Please make sure that you don't make that mistake. You must make sure that it's all flush to the left-hand side. But there are exceptions, and as you program and as you get more advanced, you'll notice that you do have to indent some code. You'll learn when that is, but it's normally where you've got this orange keyword here. If it's an if, a for, a while, then you do need to indent, but just watch everything else. Make sure that everything is aligned. Error 3 is writing more than one statement on a line. With this error, what normally happens is this. We have a print hello, print world on the same line. You can't do that. You must make sure that each print is on a new line like that. Error 4, using multiple cases. That means uppercase or lowercase. Python is case sensitive, so you must be really careful if you use uppercase for anything that it is specifically for a reason, and you need to be careful. Everything is lowercase, usually in Python. The example below shows we've got a capital P for the second print and the text has gone black. That means that Python isn't going to give us an error. So make sure that everything is lowercase unless there's a specific reason why you know that it's going to be uppercase. The exception for that is anything in quotes here. Anything in quotes here, it will be uppercase or lowercase to what you're trying to print out. And you can have a mixture of upper and lowercase in those. Anything in quotes is just like if in English you were writing an essay or you were writing a story and you had speech marks. Everything in that is how you would like to have it displayed. So our final error is where lines of code are in the incorrect order. All code starts from line 1, then line 2, line 3, line 4, until you run out of code. Everything should be in the correct order. So make sure you think logically as to how the program is meant to be run and how the computer should start from line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Here we've got print world, then print hello. So it will print world hello instead of hello world. All we have to do to fix it is swap the lines over and put them in the right order.